In our homes, there is a living being that grows quietly, silently purifies the air, and infuses our space with the most vibrant life force. They are plants in Feng Shui. A carefully chosen and well-tended plant is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for enhancing a home's Q field. Plants are the ultimate representatives of the wood elements, symbolizing growth, vitality, kindness, and creativity. They are like small energy pumps in the home, continuously transforming stagnant energy into fresh shen shim. A healthy plant brings positive yang energy to a space, improving our mood and sparking our inspiration. Choosing leafy plants with rounded shapes that grow upwards is always the best choice. Fiddle Leaf Fig with large rounded leaves, symbolizing harmony and inclusiveness in living room corner. Monstera Deliciosa, symbolizing health and longevity, placed in East family area. Money tree in wealth corner, symbolizing career growth and financial increase. Wise master demonstrating plant care with wooden watering can and bamboo scrolls. Master meditating amidst thriving plants with golden sunrise glow.